इसाक डार इस वक्त क्रिकेट से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Of the close and cooperative relationship between Pakistan and Egypt. Your presence here in Islamabad today reflects our shared commitment to deepening bilateral ties across political, economic, defense, and cultural domains. Brother, Pakistan holds its relations with Egypt in very high, aimed at strengthening cooperation and building on the strong foundation of our long-standing partnership and brotherhood. Egyptian and Pakistani brotherhood is broadly known all over the world. And yours and mine brotherly affection is already well aware in the diplomatic corps in the world. So I think we have a great responsibility, both of us, to take our diplomatic, our economic, our trade, our business, our security, our defense relationship to a much higher level. So I request you, Excellency, my dear brother, if you can give some opening remarks, then we will ask the media to leave, and then we will carry on the delegation level talks. Please, floor is yours.
Well, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much, dear brother, Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much, dear brother, Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar, Deputy Prime Minister and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the sisterly country of Pakistan. Esteemed members of the Pakistani delegation, it's a great pleasure and a great honor for me and my delegation to be here in our second country here in Pakistan. And allow me at the outset to express and to convey Egypt's sincere condolences and sympathies to the people and the government of Pakistan for the tragic loss of life and injuries caused by the recent terrorist attacks in Islamabad and in Peshawar. We stand in full solidarity with Pakistan in fight against terrorism and violent extremism. So our heartfelt condolences, and I would like also to convey our deep appreciation of our very cordial relationship with Pakistan. And as you know, as you correctly mentioned, my dear brother, we are facing common challenges on the economic, political and security levels, and that's of course encourage us to work together and to cooperate in terms of exchange of best practices and expertise to help each other and to confirm that stability and peace and development are the main pillars of our strategic partnership. We would like to elevate our relationship to the strategic level. We would like also to reinvigorate the existing institutional mechanism of dialogue and cooperation between our two great countries, especially the Ministerial Committee, which is chaired by the two foreign ministers of the two countries. So the last meeting was in Cairo in 2010, so it's timely now to convene this the upcoming joint committee meeting, and we would like also to agree on a roadmap for our cooperation, which will cover all areas of cooperations: political, economic, investment, trade, security, religious and cultural dimensions. Again, it's a great honor for me to be here, and I am sure that we have a clear-cut instructions from our two leaders in order to further deepening and enhancing our cooperation. The two leaders, President Sisi and his brother, Prime Minister Shahbaz, they met at least 3 times in the last period of time, and they instructed us to further enhance our cooperation. So sky's the limit for our cooperation, and I'm fully committed in that working with you, my dear brother, we can do something mutually beneficiary for our two peoples and our two great nations. Thank you so much for the very warm reception and for the cordial, reception here in our second home country. Thank you.
वज़ीर ख़ारजा इसहाक़ डार और मिस्र के वज़ीर ख़ारजा इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद में मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे। इसहाक़ डार ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान और मिस्र के दरमियान मईशत, दिफा समेत दीगर शोबों में ताउन फ़रोग़ पा रहा है, जबकि मिस्र के वज़ीर ख़ारजा का दौरा मुश्तरका अहदाफ़ के हुसूल में मावन साबित होगा। इस दौरान मिस्र के वज़ीर ख़ारजा ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान में होने वाली हालिया दहशत गर्दी के वाक़यात में मिस्र पाकिस्तानी अवाम और पाकिस्तान के साथ खड़ा है और पाकिस्तान में पुरतपाक इस्तक़बाल किया गया, जिसका तहे दिल से शुक्रगुज़ार हैं। पाकिस्तान और मिस्र के दरमियान देरीना शराकत दारी है, जिसे मज़ीद फ़रोग़ भी दिया जाएगा। वज़ीर ख़ारजा इसहाक़ डार और वज़ीर ख़ारजा बदर अहमद इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद में मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे। 2 रोज़ा दौरे पर मिस्र के वज़ीर ख़ारजा पाकिस्तान में मौजूद हैं और इस दौरान नायब वज़ीर आज़म इसहाक़ डार के हमरा इस वक्त को न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।